Hello everyone and welcome back. Hope you guys doing great. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, we're going to learn how to convert text to outline and where we can use that. We can use it for the purpose of typography designs, which is really important in graphic design. So let's take our text tool and click here. Make sure you choose the correct font for your text because it is really important when you choose a font for typography. For this type, there is no other font available, only this is going to be. Now we need to scale this and we need to convert that into outline. To convert that, we need to right click and here we have the create outline. You can use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus O. Let's click at that. Now it is converted to a shape. Now I can get my direct selection tool, and if I want to edit, so simple, I can select any anchor point here and I can just move it. Just click here and move that anchor point. Just like that, you can edit this. Now what we need to do is that we need to ungroup this, and if I click on this layer panel, you can see it is under a group. So we need to right click and here we need to ungroup that. First, let's drag our selection to ext and put it here. We're going to scale this just like this. And now we need to put the E here, and we are going to put the X. Let's scale this and okay, looks good. Now I'm going to select everything, Control G, group it, and we are going to align it. Now for this text, we can use the design if we want to use it just like that. And if you want to add a background, so you can add a background for this. We can click here and make 3000 by 3000 pixel width and height. Get our selection tool, put this in the center of the artboard, right click, and we need to send this to back. Now here we need to select this and we are going to apply this gradient color, which is the black and white. This kind of looks good with the black background, but if I change the black background, maybe I want to change so it's not going to looks good with this. But you can select here and get the eyedropper. Now let's take a look at this. You can see With the background, for the gradient color, most of these designs looks with a dark color. Let's choose a dark color, not a black. Let me find maybe this color. Now select this, click here. Let me show you one more thing. When we convert the text to outline, what if we want to apply effect on our text? So we made a copy from the artboard, and here what we need to do is that I'm going to delete this, and we're going to make this complete black. Get the type tool and click here, type text. Directly we can apply effect without we convert that into outline. If we go to effect, and here if I want to apply maybe twist or zigzag, let's try to go with the zigzag. We are going to apply, but before I'm going to apply that, let me scale this. And also we are going to zoom in, Control plus the shortcut. With the effect here, we are going to apply the zigzag. Maybe you want to apply smooth, or maybe the corner. You can increase the size if you want to. Now I'm going to hit OK. Now if we want to create this to outline, we can create that into outline directly, or what we can do is that we go to the object and here click on expand appearance. Now right click and group that. Let's change the color for this. Use this one. So we are done. This is how we convert text to outline, and we can use it for the purpose of typography in graphic design when we convert that to outline. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.